Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Revolut app. For that, first of all, launch your Revolut mobile application and then log in into your account. Over here on the home page, you will see this add money option. So simply click on this option. Then you will be landed on this page where you need to enter the amount of money that you want to add in your Revolut app. Let's say you have entered $25. So after selecting it, it will show you from United Overseas. So you need to simply select it and then click on the option that says add more money securely. On the next page, you will see the option of adding your card. So here you need to provide your card number, its expiration date and CVV, and then press continue in the bottom. Once this step is done, you need to simply confirm your transaction, and once your transaction is completed, it will show you something like this, that your transaction is being processed. Now once you see this check mark over here, it simply means that your transaction is completed and now you have successfully added money in your Revolut app. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.